Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a winter embellishment video. I have this canvas that I thought would look amazing with some trees put in here, snowy trees. And so that's what we're gonna do. I'm using Arteza Pearl White and Pearl Space Gray paint. Nothing added to them, just the regular paint. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So for me, this right here is kind of a hill. So that's basically what I'm gonna go based off of. And I don't wanna cover too much of the background because I really like this painting. For me, it just needs something just a little bit more. Now, normally when you do trees, you start off lighter and then you go darker as you come towards towards the front. But because this is a snowy forest, I am gonna start a bit darker in the back, but I'm gonna go kind of faint with my trees. So they're not gonna be as stark and bold. And I'm gonna start off by just making some lines, just some different sized, and not trying to put them evenly spaced. Sometimes it's a little difficult. I can always add more, so I'm not going to stress too much about it. And then this is just a really, really easy way to do trees. There's so many ways, but one of my favorites is like this. So start off on the top here, and you're just going to, this is a flat brush, you're just going to make lines that go side to side. And this is such a basic way to do these trees. You can, of course, get a little more complex there, but I think this will be good for this. Now, pearl paints seem to be kind of transparent anyways, so I don't even need to really water these down. We're gonna add these row of trees in here. I am going to go ahead and add just a tiny bit of white on these. Not a lot. All right, so there we have some pretty faint trees. Now I'm going to go in front of that with just the white. And I am going to use a bit of a smaller brush here to make some more intentional lines. And these are going to be just slightly taller than those back ones. I'm not going to try to go perfectly in between. And those back ones are just going to kind of peek through. Now, of course, we haven't let that background paint dry, so it will blend a little bit, which is perfect. We don't want just plain white here. Plain white trees. Does anybody get the pun or the joke? There's a band, in case anybody didn't get it. Awesome. Now the last thing I want to do in here is go back in with my big brush and add a line here again with just this pearl. I'm probably going to widen it a little bit. And hopefully it can kind of fade into the background there a tiny bit. And I'm going to do some accents down here as well. There we go. Quick and easy snowy tree forest. So hope you guys enjoyed this. May make a little more, actually I'm gonna edit this one tree, sorry. He looked really sad. Okay, There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Have fun with it, play around. There are definitely a lot of other trees that you could do. This is just one of the most basic ones. And let me know if you guys want to see more winter or holiday themed embellishments. I'll see what I can do. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.